How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another one. I'm out again with Tom. We're just out in the woods not too far from ours really. Today we're expecting a bit of rain tonight, so I've gone for the ground on a sleep pad. I've got a winter pad with me, so I want to try that out. I've not had the chance to try that out yet. Tom's using a hammock that he's just purchased, and so he's going to try that one out with the under blanket and a new sleeping bag, is it?
Sleeping bag, yeah.
So, and then we've got this tarp, which is Tom's, so we can just do a bit of extra stuff and just chill out in this bit really. But we're just going to get a few firewood going, because a lot of it's been wet from yesterday. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so it's going to be wet. So we have to dry it out and split it and stuff really. But other than that, it's just going to be a nice chill one really, isn't it?
Should be.
Hopefully the rain will hold off, but it is forecasted to be heavy rain later, so we'll see. It might be eventful.
Skies are nice at the moment,
yeah.
So we should be lucky. Loads
of blue sky over there at the moment, so hopefully it was supposed to rain now, but we haven't had a drop yet, so fingers crossed. But yeah, stick around guys, should be another good one. So I've got this Lock 10 Brewing Company lager from Aldi. Not had this one yet, so gonna check this one out tonight. Cheers. That's actually quite nice, that one.
What's that one?
The Lock 10 Brewing lager. Tastes like Foster's, a little bit between a Foster's and a...
Oh, they're lagers, aren't they?
Yeah, Foster's and a San Miguel.
Okay.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Like a bottle and a half, that is.
Yeah. It's like the big old Corona bottles you can get out, something like that. What is that? Cider?
Cider. Quite nice, actually.
Wind's calmed down a bit now. If it does stay calm, I'll open that tarp up if and I'll use just 2 sticks I've made. But
oh, really?
I can always get out quickly and just put it down in the night if I need to. But if we're not going to get any more wind, because it is really calm at the moment.
Got a bit of oil, mate?
I could always take the bark off it if you want.
No, there was just a couple of bits
the lid would be on it anyway, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Is that like a Like what the missus would have her fucking face cream or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, there's the flames.
Early, isn't they?
Well, it's dusk now though, isn't it?
Yeah. Right in season. It's about now, isn't it?
Yeah. And now we usually head up Dunwich way with the kids.
There guys, got a nice, yeah, I'll try and show you, nice chilly tonight. Morning guys, how you doing? It's just gone 8:30 and I've just started the fire so we could get a bit of breakfast. Tom's still in bed for a little bit to get a bit more shut eye. Last night was a nice warm night, only got down to about 12 last night. The rain did come, which was expected, about midnight. Only a couple of hours worth of rain though, but it did really come down. It was a really comfortable night though, being on the floor and that. I was using the X-Bed Dura mat last night and it was really quite comfortable. So no issues there really. But yeah, while Tom's in bed, I'm just going to get the fire going properly so we can get some bacon and sausages on the go. But so far it's been a really nice trip. Today's getting a bit better with the sun and that. We're getting a nice sunrise over this way, so might be a nice morning. But yeah, I'm going to finish off getting this fire going because it is quite a struggle getting it going at the moment. It was last night as well with the wet wood and that. It's really quite hard to get the fire going properly. So I'm going to get that going properly and then get some food on the go.
Because I needed to feel it. I needed to actually feel how, and they actually feel scratchy. When you first put them on, they make you want to itch.
Oh, okay.
And then you feel alright afterwards. But, well, the old TV presenters and stuff in the programmes. You got Ant and Dec, and you had Dick and Dom as an example. It was always Dick and Dom, it was never Dom and Dick.
Oh, you got Dick and Tom.
Right, at least I ain't a dick.
It was quite wet this bit logo up.
I'm not surprised. That rain came down.
I know it is. I told you I was expecting it, and I was like, God, it's not done it yet. And when it started spitting about 10:30, I was like, is this it? I couldn't pull my hammock. I was like, and then about midnight, 12:30, maybe close to 1 o'clock, it came down. I was like, yes, and I was like, oh my God, it's coming down.
The thing is, I was bone dry, toasty warm, the second I got in that sleeping bag.
I'm surprised you, because you didn't put no drip lines on, did you?
So we'll find out actually. I'll have to check if I'm packing away to see if any of it's damp anyway.
Yeah. Like shit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sounds like shit, doesn't it?
Smells like shit.
Yeah. Actual shit poo.
Shit. Shit poo. Opposed to what other sort of shit?
Like, shit. There we go, guys. Leave no choice. Alright guys, we're all packed up now, so over here, leave no trace, cleaned up the fire in that, and behind us, no evidence that we were here, except a few peg holes in that, but that's about it. Did you enjoy it today, mate?
That was good. That was a nice camp.
That was a nice chilly, wasn't it?
That was, very good.
It took a lot longer than expected because the wood weren't really burning properly last night, or this morning really. I reckon because of all that rain yesterday.
Yeah, we've had so much rain, it's just soaked it all up.
But yeah, I reckon that was the most struggle that we've had getting a fire going, to be honest. But it kept the light once we got it going. But hopefully you like this one, guys. I'm going to save you the trouble of walking out this time. But until next time, guys, cheers.
Cheers.